Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log WhatsApp with Face ID or fingerprint. So let's get started. So you want to log your WhatsApp with your Face ID or fingerprint. So to do that, first of all, open up your WhatsApp application. After opening up your WhatsApp application, just tap on the three-dotted icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now you have to tap on privacy. After tapping on privacy, now what you can do is just simply scroll down. And after scrolling down here, you can find this option which is app lock. Just tap on it and then turn this option on. And after turning it, now it will ask you to enter your fingerprint. So now what you can do is just simply enter your fingerprint. So you have to enter the fingerprint that you have set in your device. So just enter the fingerprint that is in your device, and after entering that, now what you can do is just change this option from immediately to 1 minute to 30 minutes. So every time you open up your WhatsApp, you have to enter your fingerprint. If you just set it to immediately, so if you set it to 1 minute, then what will happen is after 1 minute you have to enter a fingerprint of your WhatsApp. So just choose any one of these options that you like. And after doing that, now you can successfully log your WhatsApp with Face ID or fingerprint. So that's it guys, this is how to log WhatsApp with fingerprint or Face ID. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.